A dream come true. I was literally waiting for this for a couple of years. I really want to thank YouTube for sending this beautiful award, and I really want to thank each and every one of you for showing so much of love, watching the videos and subscribing to the channel, because of which we are a family of 10 lakh plus subscribers right now. It really feels good to hold this, and I'm literally waiting to unbox this. One thing that I can say is, when I got the silver play button, that was probably a bit lightweight. This is at least 2 to 3 times heavier than that. So let's unbox and see how exactly it looks. Okay, so let me unbox this. I still remember my initial days with YouTube. Like all YouTube creators, I too had the dream to have a gold play button, because I had seen many creators having that. So finally, it's here, the gold play button. So again, thank you very much for that. Let me just take this out. Woohoo! Oh my god, yes. This is a thank you note from the CEO. And here is our gold play button. Yes. So A2C Arts and Crafts. It is in fact heavy. This is actually heavy. So let me just remove the wrapper as well. Wow, that just looks amazing. Beautiful. Thank you. It's just amazing. So I can't express how happy I'm feeling today. So this is something great that I could have with me. Again, thanks for all the love and support that you have been giving. Thank you very much. A beautiful gold play button, A2C Arts and Crafts, for passing 10 lakh plus subscribers. Thank you.